Hi, I'm Chris Anthem, and I love the planet. I love the look of it, I love the smells, all the different textures. I live here, spend almost all my time here, and that love I have for the planet extends to all the creatures that share it with me. Bugs. Now this is soil, or dirt, and you might have seen this stuff underfoot in your local park or smeared across a bus stop timetable. But what you might not know is that this stuff is everywhere, from the bottom of the sea to other planets in space. And plants love this stuff. They think it's really, really nice. And ever heard the expression, don't excrete where you eat? Plants wouldn't say that, because they live in it and they eat it and they do excrete into it. So they wouldn't say that they do excrete where they eat, so they wouldn't say that. My point being is that mud, another word for soil, without it we'd be dead, or worse, we'd never have even been. So through my weekly Dogs, Frogs, Logs and Bogs blog and this channel, I want to raise awareness and passion for life on Earth, another name for soil, to you, the humble viewer. Alright, good, let's get cracking. Now this one is one of my favourites, Perambulatorium delirium, or the Rambler's bramble. Now you can see the broad and exotic looking leaf structure, which is a dead giveaway that it is the Rambler's bramble and not a more common variety like the sneaking grumple or Eurythrum incendium. Now this plant is considered extremely indigenous and only lives in the surrounding 10 macrometers and has never even been abroad. In order to defend itself from people who might be looking to broaden its horizons, it produces quite a severe irritant, the side effects of which can be pain and even psychosis. Now I don't need to worry about any of that because I'm wearing the protective pants, but I can tell I've made this one a little bit upset, so I think it's time to leave. Shit. The thing about other gardening shows is they'll tell you this or that. Well, I won't be telling you any of this or that. I'll tell you what they would tell you if they had the knowledge that I learned they don't even know anything about. Now this is interesting. If you're having problems with somebody in your life, say a work colleague who other people seem to find endearing and charming and funny, but you don't really get why everybody feels that way, and then one time at a work event you told a joke that was funny but they convinced everybody else it was offensive, and then by virtue of that you become the office pariah, for example, what you can do with a simple knowledge of veg casting is you can tether their life force to the vegetable. And now this particular spell, it will extend the life force of your victim indefinitely. So do make sure they deserve it before you shackle their soul energy to a gourd. You can tell that it's been successful because you can see here, it's got the face. Here's one I've happened upon by chance. But yeah, look, watch this. She doesn't like this. Look. Yeah, she hates it when I do that. Anyway, that's all we've got time for this week. So don't forget to like and subscribe and keep your eyes peeled for the next episode. And yeah, bye for now. Say bye, Mandy.
Goodbye.